Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. We're back again with another pre-market analysis video. Today is Friday, and it looks like it's gonna be a great day. So far, so good. Look at the SPY really quick. Last night's video, for those of you who watched it, I talked about how I wanted the SPY to go right here and open at around 147 and then collapse down here before we make a move up. But the way I'm looking at it right now, I don't think that's gonna happen. Like, I really don't think that's gonna happen. I just think it's gonna go right back up right over here. Yeah, as soon as it breaks above the previous high at 148, like I can do not be surprised to see a massive candle with huge volume coming in right out the gates. Do not be surprised to see that. So definitely keep the SPY on your watch list. For those of you who traded in the SPY, it's been beaten out for a while, but right now it looks like it's about to go back up again. So definitely watch this one. Definitely watch it. Okay, so let's go back to your comments. Again, like I said, if you have any stocks of interest, drop them in the comment section of the newest video. And for those of y'all who did, we're going to talk about that as well. The top stocks that I do want y'all to watch are among these comments as well, okay? So for the very, very first stock that we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about IPOB. IPOB, not C. IPOB looks like a great opportunity for short sellers. Honestly, like it's very overextended. There's a bunch of short sellers who pile up their positions in here. Until we get above 25 or 26, I'm not bullish on it. I'm definitely not bullish on it. And until we break above like $26, that's where all of these individuals will actually be terrified and be looking to cover up for either to break even or to take a small loss. But until then, like I do not expect the stock to make a major move to the upside. So definitely keep this one on your watch list. It could be a good opportunity for a short. The next stock that I want to talk to all of you about is Plug. Let's talk about Plug really quickly. So Plug so far has been running and running, and so far, the way I'm looking at it, and the way I'm looking at it on the daily, it looks like it's about to open at around 1750, and if it goes up higher towards $18, there could be a short squeeze. Again, there are some people who shorted yesterday, so if it opens higher and doesn't show any signs of weakness, like if it doesn't tank right out the gates, like a lot of these short sellers who got in here would be covering, and the stock could be pushing up, especially above that level right here, above 1787. So that is my very honest opinion of Plug. It's not looking bearish right now. So yeah, definitely watch this one for a long. Definitely watch this one for a long. My next stock that I want to talk to all of you about is, let's talk about Peloton. Yeah, let's talk about that one. I mentioned that one yesterday about how I thought that we were going to 150, and I still stand by it. I really believe that we're going to go to 150. This is not bearish at all. It's gonna squeeze. It's only a matter of time. So yeah, just again, there's an opportunity to go long here for a long play all the way up to 150. I just really want to see it up there. I really do, because there's more money to be made on the way down than on the way up. So again, do what you want. There's an opportunity on both sides here. So have fun with this one. Be really careful. Don't be too greedy. And yeah, just watch it. Watch it. Keep it on your watch list for today and for Monday as well. Now, the next stock that I want to talk to all of you about is actually a stock that was mentioned in one of the previous videos that I've made, but I wanted to wait for the right time to share it. Okay, so I think right now is a great time for it to be featured on this video, and that stock is NOV and NOX. Yeah, NNOX. So, NNOX, the pattern that I see on here is right there. And the breakout is today. And the stock is gonna run all the way up to like maybe 150 on Monday or 50, maybe $50 on Monday or $50 on Tuesday. So there you go. Now is the perfect time to buy this one. In my opinion, again, this is just my humble opinion. This looks exquisite. It looks perfect. So watch this one for today. I would not be surprised to see this thing run so high. I really wouldn't. So yeah, there you go. That is my honest opinion of Knox for the individual that asked about Knox a few days ago, probably like 5 days ago. I just wanted to wait for the perfect time for this one to be featured. So there you go. This one for sure. Definitely top stocks to buy now. Definitely top stock to watch. Also, again, just my humble opinion. And it is your money. You do what you want with your money. But there you go. So let's move on to the next stock. The next stock is for CVS. Let's talk about CVS really quick. CVS looks like it wants to go higher. When I look at it on the daily chart, I do see a bullish engulfing candle. So yeah, definitely watch CVS for a long. I can see this. I can see this running up here, not just today, but also through next week to like $62. So definitely keep this one on your watch list for sure. Like for sure. Definitely keep this one on your watch list. It's looking pretty good. I'm not bearish on it at all. It's looking fine. The next one that I want to talk to all of you about is I talked about NNDM before. NNDM. The reason why I hate it is because there's no options. But again, I told all of you in like I think that was 2 days ago when it was like right here at 320 at 359 that I wouldn't short this, and so far the stock is squeezing up. It could go on even higher. Either way, I don't care because it doesn't have options on there. So I'm not gonna touch this. All of these short sellers are gonna get squeezed. It's not yeah, there's no surprise here. It's gonna run. So that's my honest opinion about that one. And let's see. Pen. Let's talk about pen really quick, okay? PENN. And so far, yeah, there is a lot of bullishness on here. I wouldn't short this. I personally wouldn't. And let's look at the 5 minute chart. It's up pre-market. The stock wants to run along with the market. I would not be surprised to see this thing squeeze up. Okay, there were short sellers in here. They got terrified. As soon as it opens higher, the short sellers in here, the short sellers in here will be scared. They will be scared. It's gonna run up even higher. Honestly, I would not be surprised for it to run even higher. So that is my honest opinion on it. I wouldn't short this. No, nope. I wouldn't touch this to go short. No. So that is my honest opinion on pen. Now, one more stock. Let's talk about Uber really quick. Uber. And yeah, I'm not short bias on Uber either. Yeah, it could make a move back up to $38. It looks like it wants to make a move back up to $38, especially given that it's about to open at 34.90. Yeah, a lot of short sellers are trapped in here. They're like if you're a short seller in here and you wake up today and you find out yeah your puts are like down 30%, you're gonna cover. So yeah, that's another opportunity to go long right there for Uber. I think we got time for one more. Domino's Pizza. Let's talk about Domino's Pizza. Yeah. Again, I featured that one on my previous video. Like I said, this one is for the long-term investors. Hopefully, y'all bought it right here after I released that video. And it's consolidating sideways. It's consolidating sideways. I'm not bearish on it at all. I think it's just gonna go in this trend for a very long time. Could it go up to 500? I don't know. Like I really don't know. But I do see it like just trading sideways in here, like in this region, just sideways. Boring trading. That's why I'm not personally. I'm not touching this. I like things that move. big wild move up and down, not the sideways thing here. Like I don't like that at all. So yeah, these are the top stocks that you should be watching for today and for Monday. Again, if you got value from the video, don't forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as always, right? And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and also click on the notification bell. That way you get notified and you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos and the post-market analysis videos as well. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma or at Patternology Lab right up here on Twitter and on Instagram. For all of you beginners looking to get started in the stock market, it takes only 15 minutes to go through the step-by-step links in the description of the comments below. First two links, the first one is to get you signed up with Webull, where you can get 2 free stocks after signing up using the link below. The second link is to get you 1 free stock with Robinhood after signing up, also with the link below. And once again, my name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I'm going to see all of you probably this afternoon, if not Saturday. Saturday. Happy trading. Be really careful and don't get caught on the wrong side of the trade.